It's finally here! The Emma Lefebvre X Craftamo Ceramic Studio Palette. Let's take a closer look at this stunning collaboration. This studio palette is made from high-quality ceramic, smooth, durable, and easy to clean. Perfect for watercolor mixing and color control. It's not just beautiful, it performs perfectly. Each well gives you space to experiment, mix, and play with your colors just the way Emma does. The Emma Lefebvre X Craftamo Ceramic Studio Palette is designed to inspire your next masterpiece. Available now at craftamo.com.